What's up, you guys? Unexpected video. Hello, how you doing? What's up? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. This is going to be a quick video, hopefully less than 5 minutes. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Click like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Just wanted to show you how good my God is. Let me show you how good God is. But yes, you guys, look. Come home from work. A raised bed. Donated. Soil. My neighbor took the time and went and got it. Helped me unload it. And, you know, brought it over to me. Paid for it up front. Not rushing me for anything. You guys, I had a ton of soil for $30. You see that? This is a 6x4 raised bed. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm excited. I just came out of that because I was wondering how I'm gonna fill this big thing up. I ain't got no money. Ain't nobody got no money. Okay. Ain't nobody got no money. I was wondering how I was gonna fill this up. I said, Lord, I'm gonna fill all this thing up with dirt. You see how tall this thing is? I thank him for. He even put it together for me. My neighbor put it together for me. Yes, he did. He sure did. And then, look, you guys, I'm just so thankful and so blessed. You guys, if you're good to people, people will be good to you. Look behind me. Black gold. Straight up compost, manure, and great soil from the farm up the street. My neighbor went and got it, you guys. Yeah. Thank you, neighbor. I don't put people's name out without asking. But yes, he knows who he is. Thank you. Look at this, y'all. Look at this pile. I have enough soil for me for the year. I can fill all my containers. Don't you know, $30? I got this whole pile and fill the raised bed for $30. Miracle Grow costs $10 a bag. Some of them. 3 bags, $30. Look at all this. God is good. Remember, you guys, be good to others and others will be good to you. Live, love, laugh, go stuff, you guys. I need it. I love you. You're the best.